Hello and welcome back to What You After. My name is Oscar.
And my name is Jack.
Today, well, this video is going to rock. You don't need to quarry about that because we are at an abandoned quarry and there's some buildings up the top to have a look at too. It's not something we've actually done before, so we thought we'd check it out, see what we can find. My first find, some rocks. So we've got a big old empty warehouse. This place is some cool graffiti. Did you hear that? Are we scared?
A little bit.
Okay. So what was all these rooms for then?
Cut the stone.
Oh yeah, cutting. Fucking psycho pigeon. Oh my god. What? See, why do people have to smash it up? Doesn't work anymore. There's a definite noise in there. Just decided that building there is about to fall down, so we're getting out of it. So, like a lot of places we've seen recently, it's just been burnt to fuck. Oh, this is a big old room. So this is just all big rooms for cutting up stone and there is some cool graffiti here, mate. I like that, I'm fond of that. I like all the old lights, it's very industrial in here. It's been a while since we've done an industrial site. They do attract some people, I must say. That's how we got one of our most loyal subscribers, Paul Farnham. Oh. Oh look. So it's what everyone's jobs were. Mr. Jack, that's you. Mr. Jack. Oh, you're Toyota Gas. Is that alright? It's your job for the day. Seems like a hell of a lot of space, doesn't it? An old lunch table. So this would have been one of the manager's offices, I guess. Oh, we had a lot of time off. A lot of time off. Oh, we don't know the year. What is that though? Storeroom maybe? Yeah, I think that was a storeroom. Got a lot of plastic bits. Why are there so many plastic things? There's really not an awful lot to see here, to be honest, but you get some incredible pictures in places like... Oh. So this place has been set alight and it's dripping from obviously where they've put it out. It smells of burn as well. Yeah, I'm not sure I want to go too far in here, mate. Look at the ceiling. It's black. Not a fan. Nah, look. Yeah, really silly of us to go in there. It's literally been burnt to ashes. I'm gonna go through the gate. I don't understand, mate. Why do people have to set fire to everything? There's loads of bottles of gas and shit, and people are setting fire to things. Huh? What you really need to remember when you come exploring is these places aren't safe. It's quite easy to stand on something that will cut your foot open, or breathe in something that will give you diseases. So just, you know, when you come to places like this, be careful. Oh, so that's, we've been in there. See, I don't know if that's a bird or if the roof's about to fall in. That's the roof, isn't it? Jack's a roofer, so he knows a bit or two about roofing.
Right. Feel free to give us a thumbs up and a subscribe on our channel, and we'll keep you updated with more hot videos.
Lovely. And of course, don't forget, if you're going to subscribe, bell button too. Through the darkness, flashlight disregarded. What's that round the corner? A shadow, I think I sharted. Oh, there's an office here. Okay, so there's quite a lot of stuff in here. It's all just files and paperwork and stuff. Van Worden Holland. Well, this is a very well kept book. What year does it say what year? It doesn't say what year. Everything in this place makes noises. What's that? Oh, it's a bit wet down there. Oh, there's some stairs here, mate. This is very much a different type of explore for us, really. So I do hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, remember. Mate, look at these paw prints. Looks like they're from a fucking bear. They're fucking huge. What the fuck? Yeah, that room's just a little bit unsafe, I think, that room is, to say the least. So, I told you not to quarry, because this video was going to rock. Look at those views. Look at those views. You can call me the Viewmeister. No, graffiti can damage places, right? But sometimes it's cool.
It can be artistic.
Well, it is, it's art, isn't it? It's just how you perceive it. Whatever you after, what you after. Okay, I think we have shown you all there is to see of this lovely quarry. My name has been Oscar.
And my name has been Jack.
If you would kindly feel free to smash that subscribe button with the bell button too, smash a like, smash a comment, we reply to all of you. We've just been discovered by people.
He's right.
But for today,
It's goodbye from me.
and it's goodbye from me.